Okay, I just logged on and I found I got a legendary troll stash llama right here and 17 upgrade llamas. I think I had 2 from before, so I'm just gonna open these up. I'm pretty excited for the legendary troll stash llama, okay? And I got a bunch of experience and everything. Usually pretty bad, just good for the XP, which I actually need a lot of a bunch of, I need schematic XP the most. These are usually pretty trash. Their only use is, oh, still got something. Their only use is just XP. Guns are absolute trash.
Can't catch me.
Yeah, the silver ones are really good though. They can't go gold, but the silver ones are really good. Give you a bunch of gold.
Heroic luck.
Super excited about all this XP I got. I don't know if I could buy a copper one shot. I don't think it's worth it. How about wall darts? I'm gonna upgrade my shot.
Little llama?
I'm just skipping.
I'm full of surprises.
The real deal is the legend soul stash. That's the real deal right there. That's what I really care about. You could actually buy legendary troll stashes from the item shop yesterday, which was very surprising, as they haven't came back for a really long time.
Guess what? Yo, what's that?
Ooh, another silver one. I think you have 2 silver ones. Oh, no, nice. They gave you like 90 or something gold, I think. Let's see. 30, 50, another 30. Yeah. 110, not 90. The regular ones only give you 30 gold. The silver ones are really rare though, of these baby llamas. Yeah. Finally. Okay, we finished. Now, for the big opening, we have the legendary troll stash llama. Let's go. Give me good.
Welcome.
Wait. Is this?
Check it
Wait
out.
a second. Wait a second. Did I get 2 legendary troll stash llamas? Oh my god. Okay, let's see. These are really good. Oh my god, that's so hell. Oh my god. That's so much tickets. Legendary constructor. I shouldn't be screaming. I don't do that. Which one? Hive? Let's go with Hive. Oh my god. Because I really want the legendary constructor. These legendary troll stashes are so good. Gunslinger. Take the melee guy. I don't like defenders though. This is unbelievable. This is so good. Oh my. Yes. Give me those traps. Use all my XP just upgrading this item. Oh damn, they're both trash though. Campfire. I thought it's a trap. Well, I guess you could get healing pad. Legendary trap schematic. Wall trap. I just bought a wall trap. So cool. Full spots. Trackable. Full. Oh my god! This piece of crap, I don't even know what this does. I'm so mad at that. Legendary Survivor, another legendary pick. These are like so good. Legendary Hardware, Spear. Give me legendary Sight. I think we're gonna get a Sight. Oh, I like this. Only better than this one. This is so much in one llama. Oh, more. Dion. Legendary pistol. I need pistol. Oh yes, I love when I get to choose. Ooh, Dragon Breath. I think that one's good. Yes, so good. I think I have one more, please. It doesn't even matter. I got so many good stuff. Oh my god, 3. I could open up 3 road trip llamas. Ooh, hooey, gimme this. Nah, the road trips are not that good. I think I got 2 Legend Soul Stash llamas in one. That was way too much. Fishing hooks are good. Oh, actually I want a legendary fishing hook. That's all I want. I really want a legendary fishing hook.
It's the Reaper.
That's probably all I want from this. I got the epic one. Fishing hooks are really good on it. Come on, legendary fishing hook. Oh man, I don't think we're gonna get the fishing hook.
Look out!
I already even collected the epic one. Fishing hook, legendary fishing hook. I don't think I can get it. Bit of blue, so it doesn't really matter. We got a base height though. That's good. Yeah, that's probably the end of it. Oh, a legendary! Oh, Duelers. Someone said Duelers are good. I think that's all of my llamas. Yeah! Okay, that was probably the best llamas I ever had. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna end the video right there. Bye! Cringe outro.